So how did you go, Bron, at the Barossa Blooms Workshop? You just did 2 beautiful paintings and you hadn't painted before, right?
No, I hadn't even lifted a paintbrush, so it was just wonderful to be able to learn how to paint and come up with some spectacular results. So yes, I'm absolutely thrilled because I didn't really think that I would be able to paint, and to be able to come up with these has just been wonderful. So it's been very intense, and it has tested the brain cells. But
We've had a glass of wine.
But look, it's been wonderful, and it's been a lovely 4.5 days. So
how did you find the lunches and accommodation?
the lunches were superb, and Jack is the best cook, so you won't go away hungry, and the accommodation was fabulous. So yeah, we've had a lovely time. The beds at the accommodation, can't recommend them highly enough.
Oh, I'll have to go and see what I actually put in there.
Yeah, but no, look, it's been lovely, and also the company of the other girls that have done
It was fun, wasn't
the
it?
workshop. It's been wonderful. So
We've had a lot of laughs as well.
time, and a lot of laughs. Yes, yeah,
Yeah, awesome.
yeah. So it's been fabulous.
Well, thanks so much, darling. It's great to have you, and wonderful that you've got creativity as a part of your life now. You've made that happen.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, so good.
That's great. Yeah.